Listen and answer. What's her name? Who's this? What's this? Do you like watching television? What do you watch on television? What will Dawn do on television? Is Dawn happy? How is Dawn? What does she have? Who gives her a scare? Do the hiccups go? What does she do? Do the hiccups go? What does the woman give Dawn? Do the hiccups go? Do you like lemons? What does the nurse give Dawn? How does Dawn drink it? Do the hiccups go? How is Dawn now? What is she holding? What does she do with her comb? Now she is on the stage. What does she do? Is the song beautiful? Do you like it? Good job. Thank you.